Hi my beautiful people, in this video in QGIS I'm going to show you how to replace some of the letters in your attribute table in a very simple way. So for my case, I have my attribute table. I want to replace, you see, I have, like, for instance, a number of many rows, like how many, 1,300. So I want to replace this letter L, for instance, or a single letter into a certain letter. So it's like this. Or if I open my Microsoft Word here, like this one here. So I have this, for instance, a code in one of my columns. I want to replace this letter L with letter S. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to show you how to do this in a simple way by using an attribute table. So going back to my attribute table here, like this. So I'll just go to the field calculator here, where I'll punch a formula. So how do you do it? Is just like after opening it, just make sure you want to, the column you want to put. For instance, I'll just create a virtual field called new. Then I'll just, because it's a text, I'll just put text with different of characters like text string and yeah. So I'll just write the expression. So the expression is called the replace. You see here, what it does actually, it returns a string with a supplied string array or map of strings. So I'll just write it here, replace. The good thing is when you write it, it appears, or you can always double click, then press here. So how it works actually, it's like this. I'll just show you here in a Microsoft Word document. You just replace, and this is the column name, and then letter to be replaced. That means for my case is L. Then new letter, that means it is S. So this is the thing which you are going to work around with this. So going back to my QGIS now, replace the column name. So I'll just go back here. I'll just fields and values and the column name, because I know it's called link code here. By double clicking, it appears here, then comma, then the letter, because it's a string, put a string, one apostrophe like that, then put another comma, then as I said earlier, the letter to be replaced and the new letter, that means for my case I'll punch letter S. So going back here, string again, S, capital S, then pop, bingo. So you see here at the bottom, the good thing, it shows, it will appear now 11161-S01. So it will appear in this particular new column. So that's it. So this will be the way of replacing. So by pressing OK, a new virtual column will be formed. Yes, here the OK, and then that's it. Have them until to the bottom. So that's the way of actually replacing a letter, a certain letter or text data with another letter or text data using QGIS. So thank you a lot. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you a lot.